Made from natural latex extracted from rubber trees in Thailand without any synthetic fllers blended in, the 5D molded foams lets your girls W cushioning comfort, breathability, and softness that prevents chafing and skin irritation in humid, hot weather. This wireless bra supports and contours your girls using 5D latex molded cups, cushioned straps, wide side, and U-shaped back panel against sagging. With stretchy fabric that breathes and moves with you, it will conform to your curves while smoothing bulges for a sleeker, perkier silhouette. Comfortable, it lifts and supports using 5D latex molded cups, cushioned straps, wide side and U-shaped back panel for ultimate wearing comfort. Lifts, accentuates, and contours your girls against sagging. Seamless seam-free construction smooths side and back bulges to create a sleeker silhouette underneath clothing.